Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Let's quickly go over the essential items you will need for our incredible peach cobbler. Having everything measured and laid out beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll be using fresh, juicy peaches for the best flavor, but canned works wonderfully too if you're short on time. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy mixing in the next step. Now let's get those peaches ready. Once you've combined them with the sugars and spices, give them a good, gentle mix. The goal here is to evenly distribute all those delicious flavors. Letting them rest is crucial. It allows the peaches to release their sweet juices, which will form a wonderfully rich syrup as the cobbler bakes. This simple step truly elevates the taste of your final dish. For our delicious cobbler topping, we're aiming for a perfect balance of tenderness and structure. Start by combining your dry ingredients thoroughly before incorporating that room temperature butter. Cutting in the butter creates pockets of steam during baking, resulting in a flaky, tender texture. Remember to mix the milk in until just combined. A slightly lumpy batter is exactly what we want for a rustic, homemade feel. Now for the exciting part, assembling and baking your cobbler. Make sure your oven is fully preheated to ensure even cooking. Carefully pour the peach mixture into your greased baking dish, spreading it out nicely. Then, gently spoon the batter over the top, aiming for an even layer. Watch for that beautiful golden brown color and the bubbling fruit. These are your cues that it's perfectly done and ready to be enjoyed. Your homemade peach cobbler is now ready to be savored. Resist the urge to dig in immediately. A short cooling period makes all the difference, allowing those incredible fruit juices to set beautifully. This ensures every spoonful is perfect, with a rich, thick sauce. Pair it with a cold scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate warm and cold dessert experience. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.